Yeah, hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So, today the video is going to be a little bit different and it's going to be a lot more, basic. I'm just gonna actually go onto the ingredients and some of the things that you actually need to make the sushi. So, let's talk about preparation and ingredients. So, for sushi rice, I actually like to use this Japanese brand of, rice. It's called a Nishiki. And then personally I just like it. It's really good when we make it. It always comes out really nice, white and fluffy. So that's a personal preference that I like to use. So if you guys were ever wondering like what kind of rice is good to use, it's Nishiki rice. It's a medium grain, specially selected. Okay, so moving along. Soy sauce. Soy sauce I would actually recommend buying. Kikkoman is a really good brand of soy sauce to use. Just a brand in general. It's a really good it's a very popular, famous soy sauce brand, so that's always a good brand to look at in general for whatever you would like maybe. Okay, so let's go on to some rice vinegar. So people always ask how to season the rice, what to season it with. Okay, so over here I have rice vinegar. It's already seasoned rice vinegar. The brand is Marukan. I would either recommend this or Mizkan. I'll actually tag it and leave it in the link below, so you guys can maybe find it. But generally, it's just salt, sugar, and vinegar. It gives a sweet and tangy flavor, as you can see. Very easy. Yeah. Okay. So, yeah. So it actually just has sugar, salt, and it's diluted with water and has rice vinegar in it. So it's very simple, and that's what gives it the flavor normally for the rice. And every restaurant is different, of course, on what kind of vinegar they use. So that's what really gives it the flavor and changes it. So okay, so moving on, we're gonna be talking about nori now. Nori is seaweed. So I have some seaweed nori over here. Okay, so this is it's called, hold up. Okay, so it's called yakinori. Sorry for the glare, kind of. Yeah, it's called yakinori, and it's actually full sheets of nori, because personally I like to. You can cut them all in different lengths, and it'll be different according to what you use. So I like to just buy the full sheets, and generally I'll either cut them in half, maybe into strips, and depends on what I'm going to make. So yeah, but otherwise that's a really good brand. That's what I like to use for seaweed. Okay, so moving on. Alright, so going back to ingredients, gonna move this all over to the side. So now I have bamboo mats over here. So two different types of bamboo mats. Okay, this is just a regular bamboo mat. This is one of the cheapest, most common bamboo mats. You can find it anywhere, maybe on Amazon, whatever it being. I kind of just wrapped it in plastic, but it's for what you use. If you wrap it in plastic, it's not gonna stick to the rice, and it's gonna keep it clean. Lately, nowadays, since everything is getting better, as you know, we have a different type of a bamboo mat now. So this one is actually it's plastic, and it's a little bit expensive. It can be around 20 somewhat dollars, I would say, but it's a really good bamboo mat. I got it from a place called MTC Kitchen, but you can order it on Amazon, whatever it being. It's a really sturdy, nice bamboo mat. Easy to use, easy to wash. So yeah, it's something that I think chefs really like. It's very useful. Yeah, so guys, that was a little bit more on just some of the ingredients that you might need to make sushi. So in case you guys were wondering, I will be doing more videos on preparation and ingredients. I kind of jumped it a little bit just to make some content for now, but I'm gonna jump back to it anyway. And yeah, so definitely gonna get back to more of the basics and then try to cover everything to what I can. And yeah, so next I will do a video on how to make the rice, actually like the actual steps, procedure, washing, and such, so forth. But yeah, anyway, thank you so much, guys.